Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Google Earth and signing in so your places sync. Once signed in, set units to km or mi and increase cache size for smoother imagery. Next, enable location and permissions so Search and Voyager work correctly. Then import or create a new project to begin. This gives you a persistent workspace. Make sure the time slider is visible. It lets you compare historical imagery. These first actions speed up mapping and keep your work organized from the outset. Once done with setup, focus on navigation and layers so you can analyze places deeply. Use keyboard shortcuts and mouse gestures to pan, zoom, tilt, and rotate quickly. This saves time compared to menus. Turn on 3D buildings and photos to reveal contextual detail, and activate borders and labels to orient yourself. Import KML/KMZ files or draw place marks and polygons to measure areas and distances. These vector elements enable precise planning. Make sure to save versions of projects as you progress to avoid data loss. Finish by turning your research into shareable visuals. You create smooth tours with camera keyframes and add voice or text narration to each stop. This communicates intent clearly. Export high-resolution images or record movies for presentations, and always export a KML/KMZ copy so others can open the same view. If imagery or exports fail, clear the cache, verify your internet and proxy settings, and try Google Earth Pro for larger exports. That troubleshooting step fixes most problems quickly and gets you back to creating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.